ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Motorcycle Unboxing. On today's episode, we got something very exciting. We got something from a brand that I love and trust for a long time now, Aether Apparel. For those familiar with my channel, I've been rocking Aether Apparel since the very first motorcycle video I've ever made, from the very beginning of my riding career, about 12 years ago, when I first got my Aether Apparel Skyline jacket. And in that jacket, I went cross country twice and had many adventures. But this right here is something new and exciting. And for those who don't know, Aether Apparel is a company that got its start in California in 2009 in Los Angeles, and been killing it ever since. And their whole mission, the whole thing, is that they make motorcycle gear as well as other gear, but it all looks casual and it's something that you could wear on and off the bike. So let's go through what's inside this package, go through all the details, put in all the pads, and then I'm gonna compare it to my 10-year-old Aether Skyline jacket, and then I'm gonna model it for you a little bit, and we'll see where that goes. All right, let's open up the box. Boom. So this is the party piece, the main, and this right here is the D30 armor that it comes with. We'll start with the armor. And for those who are not familiar with the D30, it's industry leading, soft, hard kind of armor that basically hardens on impact, but is very malleable and flexible when it's not under stress. But it's light, it's breathable, and I actually wear this kind of armor in all of my gear. I also have the older style of this armor, which is a little more rugged, but this right here is the new standard. So this is fantastic. So you got spine protection, you got shoulders and elbows. So we're gonna put this in at a later time. So as I mentioned, the name of this jacket is the Mulholland, and it's waterproof, yet very breathable, and it's made from triple layered nylon type material. Ooh, beautiful gray, bluish color. Feels very light because this is gonna be more of a summer and spring kind of jacket. So all the pockets are seam taped, and a lot of them are waterproof, like these here. Look at this. These are actually not even pockets at all. This is your vents for breathability. And yes, so these pockets are actually lined with the soft material, so the way it doesn't scratch up your electronics. And we got a little pocket gift over here. Then these zip up, and they're also taped, so they're waterproof. And they're also soft on the inside. And the beauty of this is all the vents. So you have this pocket here, you also have a pocket here. Love the details. It's just, like I mentioned in all of my videos, I'm a sucker for details, and the details on this jacket are premium. Simply premium. Even the zipper, look at that. There we go. Let's open it up before we flip it over. Let's see what's on the inside. Boom. Nice. So that way you can dial in your feet fit any way you need. So let's open it up and see what's on the inside. A nice chunky zipper. And if you notice, this little sticker right here, lifetime guarantee. They don't mess around with that. They really mean it. This is my third Aether jacket, because I had the Skyline, then recently I got the Divide jacket, and now I have this Mulholland. But I've actually used that. When I first got my Skyline jacket, there was an issue with the zipper, and zipper is actually not something that is covered under lifetime guarantee because it's a wear item. But these guys are so legit, they still replaced my jacket and made everything right. So that's why I trust them, and I've been wearing this brand for over 10 years. I've never crashed in it, but hopefully I don't have to. That said, it will be safe. And another pocket here. And you could tell that this is a more breathable solution than the Skyline jacket that I have. And right here, you can see that there's a little bit of leather. Ooh, this is gonna feel nice on the neck. And all the details, everything is super simple, super subtle. This is where you put it in your spine. So we'll just go ahead and do that now. Grab the spine, the orange part goes on out. So we're gonna drop that in there. Boom. Nice, just like that. Make sure everything lines up perfect. I like it. So let's flip it over and look at the details on the back. So this is the only logo right here, which is a little bit louder and bigger than the normal Aether Apparel logos. And we also got sleeves that expand in contrast. And we got a little, tiny little logo here. And also we got more vents on the back for air circulation. And this is great. This is actually gonna be a beautiful summer and warm time jacket, even on a rainy day. Let's put in the rest of the pads. And another beautiful thing, you can operate all of these with your gloves on because all the zippers are chunky and big. So no matter the temperature, you'll be able to grab a vent that you need and open it up. And the previous model, the Skyline, actually had zippers under the arms, which made it a little more difficult to get in there. But I feel like this would actually be quick and easy. All right, so we're gonna start with shoulders. Let's put them in. And right now, the weather in New York City is waking up. So it's 60 degrees today. Perfect time to test this baby out. So we put this in, just like so. Line it up. Line up the zipper. I mean the Velcro. Boom. Let's do the same on this shoulder before going down to the elbows. There we go. Now we can turn the pocket inside out. And the beauty of this D3O armor is that it's so flexible that you can easily turn your garment inside out, just like that. Boom, 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 boom. Nice. These are elbows, sealed. Now we go for the other one. Oop. And you can tell this internal membrane will not only take away the sweat, it would also cool you down a little bit on a nice hot day. So here we go. Fold this in half. Tuck it in there. It's also important to remember that this armor does need to be replaced every 5 years or so. So let's turn this back around. Beautiful. This is solid. Beautiful jacket. And just look over the details. Nice little pocket here. Yeah. I like the clasps that you can open up and close easily with your gloves. Super nice. Gorgeous. The simplicity is intoxicating. This right here is my, I would say, 12 years old Aether Apparel Skyline. And you could see a couple of similarities here. Very much different, but very much similar. Same language, same lifetime warranty. You could tell that this thing has aged like fine wine. And it's still, to this day, one of my favorite jackets. Look at the ventilation under the armpits. Still to this day, one of my favorite jackets, easily. Can't really go wrong with it. And now I've added the Mulholland to my collection. All right, so enough talking. Let's put this thing on and model it next to my bike. All right, and here we are, out by the bike. I actually just took a quick little spin before doing this little photo shoot, and I can tell this jacket is comfy as hell. Super comfy, just like my other one. So let me just stand here and act cool for y'all. Look at this. You can grab all the zippers, close it and open it with the gloves on, which cannot be said for a lot of other motorcycle jackets. Here we go. There we go. Boom. Nice. And I'm wearing a little puffy under it because it's about 52 degrees here in the city. It's supposed to be 60 today, but it's still a little chilly, and it fits perfect. You got all the vents, all of the pockets. Good jacket. Super nice. Big fan, huge fan. You know, it's very important to feel cool. For me, motorcycles are a lot of things. Being cool is one of them. I want to be out there feeling neat. I want to be out there feeling safe. I also don't want to deal with the elements. That's why waterproofness is important to me. Plus, waterproofness also means a little bit of wind breaking. So, this is perfect. Already got some coffee on it immediately. Do the motorcycle sitting test. All right, zip the jacket up, get on the bike, and see how it is. There we go. My GoPro is stopping me from tucking in, but what are you gonna do? Beautiful. I'm impressed as always. Aether does good stuff. Aether does the good work. 10 out of 10. I'll just stand over here and look to the side, making sure my pants are all straight. Just like that. Dope. All right. Thank you for watching.